Wall Street can't wait to bet against Bitcoin. With Bitcoin up over 1,500% this year, Wall Street traders are itching to get in on the action. But not to buy Bit, to short it. The largest U.S. options exchange, CBOE Holdings, announced that it's teaming up with the Winklevoss twins' Gemini Trust Co to create Bitcoin derivatives. CBOE will use Gemini's Bitcoin data to create futures on Bitcoin. Essentially, this will allow a lot more investors to bet on the movement of Bitcoin without actually having to own any of the underlying asset, Bitcoin. This is where it gets interesting. Short-selling Bitcoin can be way riskier than owning the asset yourself. When you own the asset, the most you can lose is your initial investment. When you short-sell an asset, like Bitcoin, your losses could be infinite, limited only by how high the price goes. Let the games begin. Say goodbye to centralized banking. Poof! The cryptocurrency mining marketplace NiceHash has been hacked for around $68 million in Bitcoin. After multiple reports of users complaining about emptied NiceHash wallets and a 12-hour service outage for maintenance, NiceHash was nice enough to announce that there had been a security breach involving NiceHash's website. The company didn't disclose how much was stolen. However, a wallet address passed around by NiceHash users suggests as many as 4,736.42 BTC were jacked. That's 68 mil and change. Gone. The NiceHash team urged users to change all their passwords. What great advice. NiceHash is currently working with authorities, but the chance people who lost money will get any of it back are slim to none. Shout out to Mt. Gox. The market cap for Bitcoin is currently worth over $225 billion. The cryptocurrency has been skyrocketing all year, with the price currently sitting around $14,300. Bitcoin going bonkers, but when will it burst? Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear this year after passing 9,000 and is currently closing in on the 10 grand mark. Analysts say the Chicago Mercantile Exchange's decision to launch Bitcoin futures has fueled buying in December. The value of the 16.7 million Bitcoin units in circulation now exceeds $160 billion, which means the digital currency's market cap is greater than IBM, Disney, or Mickey D's. The cryptocurrency shows no signs of slowing. Not only are retail investors jumping in, but hedge funds have even started including Bitcoin in their portfolios. Many also warned that Bitcoin's meteoric rise will soon come to an abrupt end and pop like many other speculative bubbles before it. Sure, but when? The bubble is bursting. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin swelled to $11,000 per coin on Wednesday, prompting intense speculation about the latest bubble and how and why it could soon pop. Developers divided on how to upgrade the Bitcoin network have led to fragmentation of the original currency into different versions, too much of which could be a problem. Bitcoin's history of being used to buy illicit materials from the dark web means regulators are watching and could crack down any time, especially if it grows big enough to impact a nation's monetary policy. As an intangible asset, Bitcoins have previously been targeted by hackers and may again fall victim to digital theft. Though the value of Bitcoin is volatile, at the moment it's at an all-time high. But because the supply is virtually limitless, there is a risk of collapse in value if demand should ever go down. Experts have likened the Bitcoin craze to the dot-com bubble, tulip mania, and other economic bubbles, all of which burst spectacularly. If they're to be believed, Bitcoin's downward spiral is only a matter of time.
Dogecoin. Will new cryptocurrency reach the moon? The Bitcoin bubble has given rise to a host of imitators hoping to cash in on the cryptocurrency craze. This gave Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer an idea. They started Dogecoin in December as a joke and didn't take it seriously. But the altcoin quickly found a following on Reddit. Dogecoin supporters see the currency as a force for social good. They've raised funds to send athletes to the Winter Games. The cryptocurrency is worth just a fraction of 1 US cent. Perhaps because of this, Dogecoin has surpassed Bitcoin in daily transaction volume. But will altcoin investors balk at Dogecoin's built-in inflation rate of about 5% per year? Or will discouraging hoarding help Dogecoin reach the moon? Leave your thoughts in the comments along with your Dogecoin address, and we'll tip you 100 Dogecoin. Wow, such currency, such comments.